Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy travel insurance online using Global Travel Insurance. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just planning your first trip, this guide will help you make the process simple and straightforward. First, we'll head over to the Global Travel Insurance website. On the homepage, you will see a clean, user-friendly interface that makes it easy to start your search. The site offers a variety of travel insurance options tailored to your specific needs. Whether it's for a short vacation or a long-term international journey. One of the great things about Global Travel Insurance is how transparent they are with their pricing. You can enter your travel details, such as destination, travel dates, and personal info, and instantly receive quotes from multiple providers. It's easy to compare the costs and benefits of different plans right on the site. You'll see options for medical coverage, trip cancellation, and more. Another thing I like is the flexibility. You can adjust your coverage based on your budget and travel preferences. Whether you need full medical coverage or just basic trip protection, you have choices. Now, I want to point out a great service I personally recommend, Ekta Traveling. It's reliable and has excellent customer reviews. You can check them out using the link in the description below. I've found they offer competitive rates and top-notch support, so definitely give them a look if you're searching for a reliable travel insurance option. Let's get back to the site. As we continue exploring Global Travel Insurance, you'll notice a section where you can customize your plan further, adding extras like baggage protection, adventure sports coverage, or even rental car insurance. This customization is one of the big advantages of using this platform. You can really tailor the policy to match your trip. While Global Travel Insurance does offer many positives, there are a few things to keep in mind. Depending on the plan, some services may not cover all countries, so it's important to read through the policy details carefully. Additionally, if you're looking for very specific coverage like high-risk activities or pre-existing conditions, you may need to do a bit more research or ask customer support for assistance. Once you've chosen your plan, the checkout process is smooth and secure. They accept multiple payment methods, and you'll receive a confirmation email with all the policy details. It's that easy to get covered. Remember, insurance is a crucial part of travel. It gives you peace of mind and can save you from major expenses in case of an emergency. So make sure to take the steps seriously before you head out on your trip. That's all for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and follow the link in the description for a reliable travel insurance option.